Butter here. I'm with JK18, and we're just looking at modern washer and dryers. And right now we are looking at lousy garbage, or as Sharky says it, lots of grief. And according to the price, it's $599, or plus tax. It could be over $600. And cheap metal, as I can hear it. And hey, I'll do this. And but look at this, ladies and gentlemen. No tub break at all. There's no tub break.
And I love this. It's like, that's gonna break.
Yeah, exactly. Like when you pull it hard enough, it's gonna just rip out. You're just going to rip it out. And look how easily I can move the tub around. That easily. Look at this, and look at the whole machine. Piece of lousy garbage, as you can say it. Samsung, $579. More lousy garbage. And more.
The fancy clear front.
Yes.
Samsung has no business.
Nope.
Look at this fucking space.
Yeah, exactly.
Steam. Oh, we need that.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Needs steam.
Needs steam. Definitely washes your clothes. Not.
Almost $1,000.
Yeah.
For a fucking dryer.
Yeah, it's a total waste of money. Ow. Piece of shit. Whirlpool used to be good. Not anymore.
Now it's a whirlpool.
Whirlpool, yeah. Hey, it almost closed on me.
Oh, here's some white ones here.
Yeah, white ones. Lousy garbage. And Whirlpool. And I've seen one of these videos, and all this bullshit right here. Error codes. Error. But hey, at least it has, still has the agitator. Oh my God, this doesn't have the brake either. No brake.
What is this one? This is the El Cheapo one. Although look how they state not China. It says designed, assembled in the U.S.
Bullshit.
And this, you're putting in a big comforter. You're going to break that right off.
Yeah, you're going to break it right off.
Okay. And as far as this agitator goes,
there's no tub break at all. Yeah. Another Whirlpool. Error. Machine off balance. Error report. Error. Shut up. Another Samsung. Total waste of money. Nearly $1,000 for the most fancy ones, including the front loaders. Look at this. It's not glass, it's plastic. It's thin glass.
see how bad it is.
Barely any thick metal.
Yeah, it's pretty. Look at it. What is the deal with this?
Yeah, exactly. What the hell? Yeah,
And the cap here, like you could almost.
Unbelievable. Freezer. Yeah, scratching bed freezer. Yeah. And last but not least, Whirlpool. Bullshit. Not made. It's made in China, people. Are you kidding me? Is this what you call safety and unable to stop it, and this will break apart once it's off balance easily?
Yeah, that little plastic latch is going to save it, save your 3-year-old.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
That little plastic latch is going to do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. $549. Well, I'm going to see if I thought I saw a used set. And there it is. There's an example of what they're supposed to be. That's a slightly older model, but it's still a good one. But priced at $736, but your savings, hopefully, is $563. If you look at this is still a good unit because look. No, it's got a tub brake.
It's got agitator dogs.
Yes, it does. Yes. Look, and it's harder to move the tub around a bit, but it's not quite as bad as the modern ones. And this one, I'll be gentle. I'll gently close the door, and
we'll even put the sign back. It'll be real nice.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, hell with it. Yeah. So here's this other bullshit. Dishwashers, not made to last. They're just made to waste everybody's time and waste their money. And China pride, it's the way Spats Bear and Harley Badger one says it. Typical Chinese garbage. China pride, yes sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all